Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can use CapCut templates. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, open the CapCut app. Below than the screen you have a templates option. Tap on it. And on this page there are a lot of templates. You can use it. If you tap on each one, you can see it. For example, I choose this one, tap on use template, add your picture or your video, tap on next, and now your video has been ready. Tell me if I'm looking better. Just the other night I was playing with Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.